Dragon fruit is a cactus-based fruit that has loads of health benefits such as lowering risk of a blood sugar spike, aids in indigestion, etc. It resembles a dragon and that is how this fruit got its name. You must be wondering how to eat this fruit irrespective of its size and shape. It's simple. Cut it into two halves and eat the inside layer with a spoon. You can also make a smoothie out of it. What is a dragon fruit? It is a tropical fruit with a unique appearance, crunchy texture, and sweet taste. Its appearance draws its name from a fire-breathing dragon. Its rich source of antioxidants plays a vital role in reducing your risks of cancer and diabetes. Make it a point to add this super fruit to your everyday diet. How does it taste? Dragon fruit tastes like a mixture of kiwi and pear. The very first time you cut open this fruit, it may seem like a Oreo smoothie because of its white pulp and tiny black seeds. This tropical fruit has loads of health benefits, and here is why you need to add this fruit to your everyday diet. Nutrition value of dragon fruit. In one 6-ounce serving of dragon fruit cubes, you will get 102 calories, 0 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbohydrate, 5 grams of fiber, and 13 grams of sugar. You will also get these vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A 100 international units, Vitamin C 4 milligrams, Calcium 31 milligrams, Iron 1 gram, Magnesium 68 milligrams. Health benefits of dragon fruit. An interesting fact about this fruit is that the Chinese claim that it originated from the fire of a dragon during battle. Undermining the myth surrounded this fruit, there is something that it makes super healthy for us. Here is a list of 10 health benefits of consuming dragon fruit. Reduces risk of diabetes. This fruit contains high amounts of fiber that maintains blood sugar levels and avoids spike among people suffering from diabetes. Regular consumption of this fruit can help balance blood sugar levels and preventing further medical consequences among diabetics. Reduces risks of cancer. This fruit contains anti-cancer properties that can reduce the risks of colon cancer. Its high source of vitamin C plays an important role in boosting the immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that prevents you from contracting chronic diseases such as diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer, etc. Helps boost immunity. This fruit contains high level of vitamin C that boosts immunity and helps you stay healthy. More vitamin C means that your body is capable of fighting deadly infections that you might be prone to. All you need to do is to consume 1 cup of this fruit every day and stay healthy. Good for digestion. This fruit has a rich source of oligosaccharides that helps in growth of good bacteria like flora, which aids in smooth digestion. It is packed with high fiber that also aids in digestive health, helps reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Good for heart. Dragon fruit with red color pulp contains betalains that reduces bad cholesterol. The tiny dark black seeds inside the fruit are rich in omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids that are good for the heart and reduces the risks of cardiovascular diseases. Fights aging skin. Faster aging can be caused due to stress, pollution, and other factors such as poor diet, etc. However, it's a rich source of antioxidants that can treat sunburn, dry skin, and acne. Its content of vitamin C can aid in brighter skin. You can prepare dragon fruit juice and drink it once a day for radiant skin. Good for hair. Need thick, black, and shiny hair? Try dragon fruit powder mixed with a glass of milk once every day, and this will be good to you. The high source of nutrients found in this fruit extract powder reduces hair damage caused by artificial hair coloring and improves hair texture, thus leaving it soft and shiny. All you need to do is to consume this once a day and you will witness changes. Healthy bones. Good bone health can contribute to many factors such as avoiding injuries, joint pain, and so forth. This superfruit contains 18% of magnesium that aid in stronger bones and good bone health. All you need to do is drink 1 glass of dragon fruit Suthi every day. Good for eyes. This fruit contains beta carotene, prevents eye problems such as cataract and macular degeneration. 1 cup of dragon fruit every day would do you good. Good during pregnancy. This fruit contains vitamin B, folate, and iron that makes it an ideal fruit for pregnant mothers. B vitamins and folate prevents birth defects and boosts energy during pregnancy. Its calcium content is responsible for the bone development of the fetus. Its content of magnesium helps fight postmenopausal complications in women. If you like the video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.